In this video, we will show the top 5 best 4K gaming monitors for you. Number 1. The Dell 4K Curved Monitor. The inside and outside of Dell's 4K monitor are beautiful. We love how its woven Arctic white design gives it a unique, elegant look that makes it stand out in a sea of gray and black monitors. The way it looks is also perfect. On top of the 4K resolution, the monitor has a contrast ratio of 3000:1, support for 1.07 billion colors, a response time of up to 4 milliseconds, and a viewing angle of 178/178. All these features produce stunning, crisp, and vibrant images that are great for both entertainment and work. It has extra features like picture-in-picture, picture-by-picture, and a USB 3.0 hub that will help people who like to do more than one thing at a time. Number 2. The BenQ Photo View. Pro-level displays are no longer so expensive and hard to get that most people can't afford them, at least in the case of the BenQ Photo View. Not only does this UHD display with a 32-inch panel and 4K resolution make it perfect for editing photos, but it also has a great resolution. It's also better in terms of how well it works, how easy it is to use, and what features it has. It covers 99% of the Adobe RGB color space and 95% of the DCI-P3 color space. That's exactly what you need if you want to make movies or take pictures. We also found that the SW321C has everything you need to make sure your prints look just like what you see on the screen. This is one of the best 4K monitors for editing photos, and the best part is that it costs less than all the others. Before we proceed, if you are enjoying the video, please like, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe to our channel. It helps this video get discovered by more people. Thank you. Number 3. The Gigabyte M32UC Curved Gaming Monitor. With the M32UC from Gigabyte, multi-platform gamers who want a high-performance 32-inch gaming monitor for 4K at 144Hz gaming will find a lot to like. The HDR 400 support is fine, but nothing special. However, this monitor has a good number of ports and other useful features, as well as a quick pixel response time and great color gamut coverage, which make it a good choice on its own. Number 4. The Asus TUF Gaming VG289Q. You get a lot more for your money with the Asus TUF Gaming monitor, especially considering how low the starting price is. This 28-inch screen is one of the most affordable 4K gaming monitors on the market right now. It can be moved in almost any way you need to suit your needs. In fact, this is one of the most comfortable monitors we've tried. Having good ergonomics isn't enough to make it a great monitor though. It also has thin bezels and a clever way to organize cables, as well as a few display settings to make watching better and adaptive sync to make gaming smoother. And number 5. The LG Ultrafine 24MD4KL. This LG Ultrafine monitor has a lot to offer 4K fans, especially photographers and videographers who need all that space and high resolution. It has a 98% DCI-P3 color gamut, 540 nits of typical brightness, and an adjustable height and tilt stand that makes it easy to find a comfortable workflow that lets you focus on your creative process. That's in addition to its Thunderbolt 3 port, which supports 4K daisy chain and lets you connect multiple monitors. Of course, it has a great color accuracy as well. Thank you for watching.